Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're going to find the best community in all of crypto. In today's video, we've got David Schwartz coming out and talking about the price of XRP and what he thinks the future holds. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? So guys, something I think we can all agree on going into 2023 is it feels like a break in XRP is about to happen anytime at all. And in fact, most of us are expecting to see some sort of rallied pump in the price. Now, when we come out with our excitement and we actually share that anticipation, a lot of the questions comes back is, hey, why is the price of XRP lagging right now? And guys, David Schwartz has had this same question thrown at him, and he has just been answering it. So just take a look right over here at this article. Now, guys, this article is coming off of a tweet that David had, and I'm going to show you that in just a minute. But just take a look down here. It's saying here, Ripple CTO, Chief Technical Officer David Schwartz believes that the sluggish performance of XRP and other major cryptocurrencies is a result of uncertainty as to whether or not crypto will actually be the next big thing. And guys, just take a look right here is the actual tweet. And here he's saying, I don't really have a good understanding of what affects the price of cryptocurrencies, but I will tell you what I think is true. Though I can't back it up with facts, it is just my sense based on data and experience, maybe just feelings. And listen to his rationale. Imagine I worked, David says, at Google in 2000, and I was telling you how search was going to be the next big thing and would eventually make billions of dollars of new wealth. You may not believe me. The market sure didn't believe that then, but maybe I could have convinced you and you might have become a true believer. Maybe you would join Google and you'd be in the right place at the right time. Gradually, the markets came to believe it too, and many millionaires were made that way. Guys, David Schwartz is coming out there and telling you, hey, look, I believe that what is coming in this new digital economy, the truth of it is going to revolutionize this world, and the result is many millionaires will be made. But the reality is, guys, few people want to believe it. Few people are out there willing to take that risk, even though you could literally show them the infrastructure like we have of XRP being built right before their very eyes, central bank digital currencies, bridge asset XRP utilized around the world. Central bank digital currencies are a fact, and we all know that they're coming, and Ripple is out there laying the very infrastructure for it. And people just don't want to believe it. It's kind of like being back in the 1800s, and you would have the railroad coming into town and someone says, hey man, this is going to change the town. It's going to explode. And people are like, yeah, but who would pay that kind of money? And why would you want to go 100 miles per hour? You'd probably just lose your mind traveling that fast. That's what it was like. And he gives a perfect example when he's talking about Google. No one ever imagined that Google would be the absolute juggernaut that it is today. And all kinds of people missed out on that, but the ones that really bought in, that genuinely could see it and could truly believe it, their lives were changed generationally. They became millionaires, multimillionaires, decamillionaires, and billionaires, guys. Something I want to show you is this right here. Now, this is coming out of Quora, and here, listen to this guy's take on the whole thing. And the question was proposed to him, will Ripple hit $100 adopted by all the banks? And listen to the guy's response. No, it's going to hit $1,000. The reason is liquidity. There are only 100 billion XRP in circulation and the supply is finite. Ripple has the only legitimate shot at becoming the backbone of all global financial markets because, let's be honest, no conservative bank managing billions of dollars would trust the blockchain unless it was thoroughly vetted by the SEC and plays nice with all the other big banks. Ripple is the only one actively courting these relationships, and it's the most likely to become I don't even know what this is, Laguna Franca of all currency to blockchain to currency to transactions. Basically, Ripple has the best shot at doing it. And I agree with this guy. Ripple's technology is superior to Bitcoin. The only reason Bitcoin is still so big, despite being slower and more expensive than nearly any other blockchain, is because of its medium of exchange on cryptocurrency exchanges. Guys, right now, Bitcoin, all assets are traded in BTC pairs for absolute sure. Now, maybe one day Ripple could be used as a major trading pair. But the other issue is Bitcoin and its store of value. But as for technology, it is no match for the XRP ledger and what the XRP ledger could accomplish and is accomplishing around the globe. We literally know that they're involved in the Digital Pound Foundation. They're involved in the Digital Dollar Project, which, by the way, Jerome Powell has recently come out and has said that, hey, look, by 2023, FedNow is going live. And by 2024, 2025, the CBDC, the central bank digital currency of the United States, no doubt is about to be released. And guys, it is happening like wildfire. It is happening faster than what most people even know. Guys, I want to show you this right here. Now, this is a chart done up by Greg Crypto. And basically what he's showing here is from 2015 to current date, the price fluctuations of XRP. And he's got the scale in here and you can see has been on this major uptrend. Well, guys, whenever it's come and tagged this lower support line, it only happened 1, 2, and potentially could happen a third time. But every time it has, bang, it has taken a major move up, retraced its way back down, tagged that, and boom, all the way up. This is that 2017 way back down here where this part right here is at that 0.006 and this up here is the $3.84. Well, right now, guys, you can see, by the way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it has hit the top of the resistance, breaking through it only that one time, hitting it as support and coming back up. And guys, what he's projecting is if we go down here and just take a look over here, here it is a little bit wide, more out, up, bang, hitting that support all the way back up. And what he's saying is, hey, look, right now we're in that 30 to 35 cent range right in here. And if we do drop and we come down and we hit this 18-cent range, which could happen, it could potentially happen that we go down that low. But a lot of people, even Blockchain Backer today, if you've watched this video today, it's a great video. If not, you go watch it. He's showing that, hey, he thinks right now that the bottom is in. Look at here. It never had to hit the bottom to come back up here. But basically what this guy is saying, it comes down, it tags this. Guys, we are looking for a massive, massive break in this next bull run. And it is probably going to blow way past this $17 mark into the $20 and the $30 mark. And in fact, at the top of that 4.236 Fibonacci retracement, we're dealing between $66 and $68 for XRP. And from where it is now, guys, phenomenal. In fact, guys, right now, XRP trading in that 34, 35 cent range. All it is to go up to its previous all-time high is a 10x. And I'm going to tell you something, guys. When this lawsuit was dropped on XRP in December of 2020, I watched the price of XRP drop to 17.48 cents. 5 months later, it was at $1.97, well over a 10x return. So I know that it can happen because I've lived through it and seen it. And we are about to see a major turnaround in XRP in this next price move. Now, guys, just to round it up, just take a look at this article here. Ripple XRP Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. The odds on XRP being a long-term bet are, and guys, the conclusion of this article, and by the way, it is quite a lengthy article, I'll put it in the link so you can read it, is that, hey, this is one of your best long-term bets that you could ever make. And in fact, right here in one of the opening paragraphs, they state one reason for XRP's relatively strong performance may be its strong adoption in the financial industry. Many banks and financial institutions have begun using XRP as a means of facilitating cross-border payments, which has helped to increase demand for the cryptocurrency. Additionally, Ripple Labs has made significant efforts to promote the adoption of XRP, which has helped increase its credibility and appeal. Guys, I am telling you what, I feel it right down in my bones. When you do your own research and you get up and you start peeling back this onion and you just do even a little surface digging, it will truly blow your mind. You will see how XRP has literally been put in a position to actually take over in this entire global financial system. You've got Ripple interconnected with almost every major central bank in the world, has been dealing with various nation states, helping them to develop their central bank digital currencies, and is at the forefront of addressing the nostril-vostril liquidity problem of cross-border payments and coming out with an on-demand liquidity solution that is second to none. And I'm telling you what, guys, if it was not for the fact of this SEC lawsuit, we would probably have already seen prices in the mid to high two figures. And so when we do get clarity, and most legal analysts believe we will get clarity, even John Deaton, although right now he's saying, hey, he's not expecting settlement, he is still expecting a win. And I'm telling you what, guys, we get that win and it is on like Donkey Kong. It will be an amazing run such as we have never seen. And in fact, it's my belief that that legal clarity for XRP, that when Ripple wins this case, is going to be the spark that literally blows this mountain of TNT off and sets us off on one of the biggest bull runs in absolute history. Any asset class, bar none. Now, guys, this is the video I have for you today. And like always, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Now, if you want to add to the conversation, will you just drop your comments right down there in the comment section, open it up to the community, and start a discussion. So guys, before you go, let me invite you to join our Discord server, which truly is an amazing place where you can meet up with folks just like you and talk about all your thoughts, ideas, suggestions, and opinions, you name it, in this entire digital asset space. And it's absolutely free. And the link is right down there in the description of this video. Now, something else, guys, we have just started up our coaching program in January. And if you would like to have a one-on-one 1-hour Zoom meeting for $250 where we can go over your exit strategy, we can take a look at and go over your portfolio, we can even help you get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with a multiplicity of other techniques. If that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigital.outlook.com and we'll get you all booked in. Well, guys, as you know, I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And hey, don't forget to hit that notification bell down there so that you don't miss out on any of the videos that we're uploading. And if you're one of the thousands of people who have been watching these videos, but you haven't yet subscribed, would you do the channel a favor and join this community? We would really love to have you on board. So in the meantime, and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.